Hi. Many beginning musicians struggle with the sight reading. For some, it becomes a real drama. There are several important tricks like reading the patterns, recognizing the chords and intervals, feel their logical consistency instead of reading note by note. Like in the first measure of Sonate Pathétique by Ludwig van Beethoven. We don't decode these first 7 notes. Then go to another 3 and another 4 and so on. We just figure out first that we are in C minor key, and first 7 notes make together the main chord of this key, the triad of tonic. The next 3 notes are just the inversion of this triad, and followed by a logical passing dominant chord on the way back to the main chord. This all we learn at our weekly theory/solfeggio lessons, step by step. But first of all, you need to recognize the notes instantly. You simply don't have time to think which note is it while reading music. Stay with me and at the end of this video you'll get a handy bonus to practice alone. So, first of all, we memorize the 5 notes that are placed on the lines in the treble clef. Therefore, I suggest that we use an easy trick, mnemonic. Just remember the following phrase. Every good bird does fly. Every good bird does fly. If you think that it's not politically correct and this phrase could hurt feelings of an ostrich or the chicken, well, then you can use another one. For instance, elephants get big dirty feet. Or empty garbage before dad flips. Or even George Bush drives fast. All these phrases consist of 5 words beginning with the letters that correspond with the line notes in the treble clef. E, G, B, D, F. And you can find these notes on the piano keyboard when you skip from central C, middle C to the right over one key 5 times. So from this C, E, G, B, D, F. Now, keeping that in mind, we'll practice to recognize these notes. Just say out loudly the names. F, B, E, D, G, F, B, E, D, G. Did you know that you can change the speed of this video as well as any other video on YouTube? If you tap on the 3 dots at the upper right corner of the screen, you will see a menu where you can choose the speed button. There you have different possibilities to slow the video down or speed it up. This last one comes in handy for us to practice these notes, line notes, even better and faster. After you've learned these notes inside out, it's time to look closely at the space notes. F, A, C, E. Together they form an English word, face. Now, let's practice. E, C, F, A, E, C, F, A. Now we add the D that hangs as a raindrop under the bottom line and high G above the top line. And practice again. D, E, C, F, A, G, D. And now once more with all the line and space notes together. D, E, C, F, another F, A, E, G, another G, D, B, D, E. Of course, you can't learn this properly in one session. You have to come back to this video, or you can practice yourself with this handy set of cards. Just subscribe to my channel, Inessa Levkina, and send me an email to claim your own set. Links are listed below in the description. After that, I'll send you this PDF image. And you'll only have to print it out, cut it with the scissors and practice. If you like this video or didn't, please leave the comment. Success with learning!